We are here, as you can see, water lilies. Oh, this thing is beautiful, but it's a polluted one, but still it's a beautiful one, as you can see. Oh. Sheba. This is somewhere. Uyabona la amanzi aya flow. But when you come to this side, you may see like it's a standing water, standing still. But abandi bana basikolo
mabuzelo ngasesene
zabo allocates. Amadako gwena kana kotha. Oh. Dit kusha busi paninga zona mar. Já video. Dei uma gana do já video ini. Sigan. Do já video.